Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
Welcome to this video, where we'll discuss everything you need to know about snapshots in Gohighlevel. We'll cover what a snapshot is, how to import it, and the details that get imported through a snapshot. So, let's start with the basics. Why are snapshots important? Imagine you own an agency account and you work with a specific type of client, like roofers. In this case, you only need to set up their systems and processes, such as pipelines, funnels, and automations, once. After that, you can export everything as a snapshot. Once the snapshot is ready, you can simply import it into any new roofer accounts you create in Gohighlevel. This process saves time and ensures consistency across all your clients. Now let's see how it works. If you have a snapshot, you'll also have its link. All you need to do is paste the link and search for the snapshot. As soon as the snapshot loads, you'll see a button that says, "Yes, import now." If you're not logged in, the system will ask you to log in first. Once you're logged in, you can proceed to import the snapshot into your agency account. For example, I've just imported this App Master snapshot into my agency account. After importing the snapshot, the next step is to load it into an existing sub-account. To do this, go to the sub-account section and search for the sub-account where you want to import the snapshot. Scroll through your sub-accounts until you find the right one. This may take a little time, so be patient. Once you've located the sub-account, click on the three dots and select Manage Client. From there, go to the Actions menu and choose Load a Snapshot. Then, select the snapshot you want to import and hit Proceed. At this point, the system will ask you which assets you want to push from the snapshot. Snapshots can include a wide variety of assets, such as calendars, campaigns, custom fields, custom values, forms, funnels, websites, memberships, pipelines, templates, tags, triggers, workflows, and more. Essentially, everything in a Gohighlevel account can be included in a snapshot. Once you proceed, the system will check for conflicts. If no conflicts are found, you can skip this step and continue. The data will then be copied, and you'll receive a notification once the import is complete. To verify that everything has been imported correctly, switch to the sub-account where the snapshot was loaded. First, check the calendars to see if they're loaded. Next, look at the Opportunities section to confirm that all pipelines and leads are present. Then, go to the Marketing section to find the trigger links. In the Automations section, check for the workflows that were imported. You can also verify that the sites and funnels are properly loaded. Finally, go to the Settings section and ensure that all custom values from the snapshot have been imported. Once everything is loaded, you'll have a fully functional sub-account with all the systems, processes, and assets from the snapshot. And that's how you can create and load a snapshot into a sub-account using a link. Snapshots make it incredibly easy to replicate systems across multiple accounts, saving you time and ensuring that everything is set up consistently.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.